Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to add a friend on Steam for free, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a friend for free on your free account on your Steam, first log into your account either on the Steam gaming software as I have already logged in, or you can just initiate the same thing from your browser. Go to the home page of Steam and log into your account over there, and you will end up on the same page over here. I'm on the store feature section over here guys, as you can see. Now to add a friend on the Steam, you can see there is your account name available for us just beside the community. When we hover over the account name available of ours, there are a bunch of these options available for us. Click on the friends option first, and over here guys, you can see this is the panel of your account where you can do a lot of settings. But with that being said guys, in order to add a friend, you can see there is the add a friend button available just below your friends. Click on that add a friend button, and guys, you can see there is your friend code and or send a quick invite for free guys. For adding your friends for free or without buying a battle pass on the Steam, you can simply copy this link where it says the copy link, and after the link has been copied, you can send it to your friend, and the moment he receives it and opens this web link, you and his account and your account will be on friend section, or you will, both of you will be friends. And this is how you add a friend for free or without buying a battle pass on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.